Now I'm bored. What's this? Do not enter. Go talk to Dad. Hey Dad, it was still working and watching at the same time. Can I go to somewhere? Yep, I promise I'll be safe. Yeah, I got my phone. Okay, thank you. Bye. I wanna get out of here. Okay. Could you please open the door? I can't open it. I think I should go the other way around. Wait a minute. They just said Vernon Farm in Desert. I wanna go to a farm. I never knew my parents were this rich. I never knew my dad was this rich. Cool. There's a lot of farm. Wow. We have a helicopter. No, not actually a helicopter. A freaking no. Let me go right here. I just bumped in a tree. Should not have jumped. Hello, excuse me. I'm just gonna go to wash my clothes. Oink, oink, oink. Yes. Hello, my name's Elmo. So could you please let me pass out? All right, thank you. Ooh, I'm the son. So you could please. Yeah, all right, thank you. Awesome, mate. Awesome. Yeah. Ha. This is so cool. The controls are so awesome. This is so cool. I think Dad wants to plan a vacation again. Ooh, a map 49. It's just like the freaking. Okay. Wait a minute. This looks strange. A bomb! Let me get the bomb out. I need to contain it for something that contain it. The water. Yep, the water. Come on, Elmo. I need to contain the bomb. No time to lose. Sorry. Come on. Oh my God, it's already sounding. Yeah. Oh. That should contain it for now. Until I gets the circuit will break until it's exploded. It's gonna take a longer time, like a month or something, a week. I'm not gonna show that to Dad. Hey, I'm gonna pick that up. What the hell happened? It's exploded. Come on, no. It just exploded. What the hell? I need to get out of here. Come on. Stack pile of dirt. The plane just crashed. Go check something if everybody's alright there. Dad. Your plane exploded. It was not my fault. I saw a large bomb and it just started exploding. I thought I took the bomb out. Alright. I'll just go to my room. What the hell just happened? And the worst of all, or the question we want to be asked, who did that? Who did that?
It's the kind of beat that go